Rivers provide water, food and transportation to communities around the world. They are also beautiful to look at, refreshing to swim in. But as wonderful as rivers are and as much we appreciate them, they also can turn deadly. Rivers will betray you in a matter of seconds with strong undercurrents, rocks, wild animals and pollution. Murray River, Country, Australia, length 1558 miles, danger point, storm currents and undercurrents, sharp temperature drop. The Murray River in southeastern Australia has the most number of drownings out of all rivers in the country. Between 2002 and 2017, 70 people drowned in it. These deaths occurred because people underestimate the strength of the river's current and undercurrents, which easily trap swimmers. Whirlpools can form unexpectedly and the murky water make it difficult to estimate depth and to see trees or branches under the surface. Citarum River, Country, Indonesia, length 170 miles, danger point, pollution. The Citarum River should be a life source for humans and animals. Instead, it is the most polluted river in the world and poses an extreme hazard to surrounding communities, threatening the life of fauna and flora that once depended on it. Blame belongs to hundreds of textile factories that dump their industry and chemical runoff in the river. This runoff includes toxic dyes and poisonous chemicals such as mercury and arsenic. Orinoco River, countries Colombia and Venezuela, length 1330 miles, danger point, strong current, fast rapids, waterfalls, flooding. The Orinoco is a labyrinth of a river where those who don't know the way can easily get lost. The river is notorious for being hard to navigate due to the quickness of its flow, which often make it difficult to control vessels. There are also waterfalls and rapids that create strong currents. The river is prone to flooding, which has created several tragedies for communities that live along its banks. Of course, you can expect to find dangerous animals like Orinoco caiman and anacondas. Yellow River, Country, China, length 3395 miles, danger point, storm currents, flooding, pollution. Yellow River is nicknamed the Mother River. Its other nickname is the River of Sorrow. Banghe, as it is called in China, is extremely destructive. Its incredible strong currents make it difficult for anyone who falls in to survive. Even the body of its victim are unlikely to be recovered. Besides this, the river is temperamental, sometimes changing its course and being prone to constant flooding. These floods have been responsible for millions of deaths and displacement as well as food shortages due to the destruction of crops. Yenisei River, Country, Russia, length 2167 miles, danger point, flooding, radioactive pollution. As the longest river in Russia, the Yenisei is very important to the country, but what it provides in life, it also claims in deaths. Communities that live close to the river are always at risk of devastating floods. Many have had their lives completely upended by these floods. But what really lands the river so highly in this list? That it is polluted. And not just with normal pollution, but with radioactive particles courtesy of nearby plutonium factories. Nile River, countries Congo, Egypt, Ethiopia, Kenya, Rwanda, South Sudan, Tanzania and Uganda. Length 4130 miles, danger point, deadly animals. The longest river in the world, the Nile gave rise to several ancient civilizations in East Africa and continues to be one of the most important bodies of water on the planet. But as much as it makes life possible along its banks, the Nile has also proven to be deadly, mostly because of the numerous lethal animals that inhabit it. This includes, of course, crocodiles, but also snakes like black mambas and Egyptian cobras, hippopotamus and mosquitoes carrying life-threatening diseases such as malaria and West Nile virus. East Alligator River, Country, Australia, length 99 miles, danger point, strong currents, deadly animals. When a river is named after alligators, do we need to explain why it's dangerous? Located in Kakadu National Park, East Alligator River is one of 3 alligator rivers in Australia, but this one is most famous than its counterparts because of Cahill's Crossing. Partially submerged, the crossing is just shallow enough that people cross in cars or foot, sometimes out of necessity, sometimes just for the thrill of near-death experience. Amazon River, countries Brazil, Colombia and Peru, length 4000 miles, danger point, deadly animals. The largest river in the world by volume, the Amazon is the river that feeds the jungle and all its inhabitants. This important river is beautiful but can also be deadly, mostly because of animals that live within its water and along its shores. These dangerous animals include anacondas, piranhas, the venomous Brazilian wandering spider, pit vipers, black caiman crocodiles and bull sharks. There are many things in Amazon water that want to kill and or eat you. Congo River. Countries: Angola, Cameroon, Central African Republic, Democratic Republic of Congo, Republic of the Congo, Tanzania and Zambia. Length 3000 miles. Danger points: strong rapids, deep canyons, deadly animals. The Congo River is the world's deepest river, 720 feet at its deepest point, and has many rapids, gorges and waterfalls that pose a threat to numerous vessels that traverse it, mostly carrying imports and exports. One of the river's most treacherous part is a wide canyon known as the Gates of Hell, because it's virtually impossible to navigate through the narrow gorge that forms it. Zambezi River. Countries: Angola, Cameroon, Central African Republic, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Republic of the Congo, Tanzania and Zambia. Length 3000 miles. Danger points: strong currents, deep canyons, deadly animals. Some people consider the Zambezi River to be most dangerous river in the entire world, though of course the qualifier is somewhat subjective. Many factors contribute to this dishonorable crown. First, you have rapids and currents that are extremely fast and strong. This is the perfect combination for flipped vessels. If you get thrown off your vessels and into the river, you may have the misfortune of hitting big sharp stones that can kill you on impact. You also could encounter deadly animals such as crocodiles, hippos and you guessed it, bull sharks, which are known locally as Zambezi sharks. On the plus side, the Zambezi River is home to amazing Victoria Falls, the largest waterfall in the world. Although rivers give life, security and wealth, these are some of the rivers that take these things away. Whether it is because of untamed wildlife, flooding or dangerous gorges and ravines, safety in river is nothing to be played with. With all of that said, these are the list of 10 of the most dangerous rivers in the world. If you find this video interesting, do like, share and subscribe. See you next video. Until then, bye.